This is a video about how to install the Outlook client on your Dell laptop. So many people use the web-based version of Outlook in school, and that works just fine. However, if you want to use the mass email feature in eSchool to contact students or parents, you'll need to have the Outlook client installed on your machine. So here's how you do it. You come over here to the Start button, and you go down to the O's till you find Outlook. Go ahead and select that. And then you're going to go ahead and put in your email address. And hit connect. It's going to ask for the password. You can hit here to remember and hit OK. And it says successfully added. I don't need another email address. I click done. Let's deselect that one. Okay, and now it's installed. So it looks slightly different than the web-based version. And I can just go ahead and close it now that it's installed. And I'm ready to use the mass email feature in Outlook.